Hey, sorry, it's my daughter. Hey guys, Tony. Good morning, everybody. I really wanted to make just a really quick update on the very first strong node that I bought almost a month ago. It's gonna be 1 month in about 2 days or so. Today is the 9th of January, and I actually bought my first node on December 11th. Currently, it's made 2.65 strong coins. So roughly in the next 2 days, I'll just kind of go about it and do the math to see what the actual payout was. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be less than 3 coins, but we will find out by like end of day Tuesday or something. So as of right now, the payout's been 2.65 strong. Strong right now is sitting at 590 bucks. So 590 times 2.590 times 2 point what? 2 point what? 2.65 equals, so one node has paid me out a total of $1,563 for 29 days. You can probably hear my daughter in the background. Again, depending if strong is higher or lower, this can definitely go out. I'm assuming that more than likely this number will probably get up closer to 1700. Taking that into consideration, 1700 times the 3 nodes that I currently have, I'm expecting a month as of right now, as long as strong holds a price of 590 or higher, I can expect a monthly payout of a little bit more than $5,000 per node. So sorry, not per node, but for the total of 3 strong that I have right now. So as of right now, passive income, I will be making somewhere along the lines of around an extra $5,000 a month. That's with the 3 strong node. As long as strong stays under, I think $800, I'm gonna keep compounding, because I think after 800 bucks, when it gets to the range of 800 to like $1,000 bucks, it makes absolutely no sense for me to not take profit, because at that point I would be making somewhere along the lines of $8,000 to $10,000 a month. So there's no point in me not taking profit if strong gets to those prices. But as of right now, almost a full month, we're about 2 days away. It's maybe 2.65 strong. It's a little bit more than 1,500, a little bit under 1,600. I do expect in the next 2 days for that number to possibly get closer to $1,700. And for the full month, from December 11th, which is this first node that was created, up until January 11th, which is in 2 days, that the payout for the first month of one strong node is going to be roughly $1,700. And then if strong stays at this range, this price, I can kind of assume that on the 21st of January, which is when I would have all 3 strong nodes running at a full month together, I would have a payout of a little bit more than like around $5,000. So I just wanted to update you guys. Have a great day. If you guys do want to know how to create a node, go back on my videos. I do have a pretty easy, clear walkthrough of how to do everything. I got a lot of feedback for it. A lot of people say that it's extremely easy to follow. So go follow that video. Go find it. I'm really bad at posting links, so I'm probably not gonna post it or put it anywhere. But just find it in my most recent videos. I made it like a couple videos back. So I'll see you guys later. Super excited about these strong nodes. Hopefully by the end of January, I have 4 strong nodes, and I will keep compounding, like I said, as long as the price stays under around 800 bucks. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.